name is CoCo Gabriale. I'm 42 years old. I've been going to Dr. Bob for about a year and a half now. Before going to him, for about 3 solid years, I had dealt with restless leg from my feet to my legs to my arms, as well as itchy skin at the palms of my hands, the bottoms of my feet, and from head to toe pretty much. It mostly affected me during the night. So for about 3 solid years, I did not get a decent night's sleep. It felt kind of like torture, and I really dreaded going to bed. During that time, I thought I was pretty healthy in my mind because I was exercising 5 days a week. I would eat pretty healthy, but it was really starting to wear on me, and I didn't want to go the route of medication or prescription. Someone had pointed me to the direction of Dr. Bob. They said he was a functional medicine doctor. I did not know what that was at the time. And I was a little reluctant because I felt like if I was doing what I was supposed to be doing and exercising and eating right, that what else could someone else do to possibly help me? But I went to him anyways, and he gave me a comprehensive blood test. And he went through almost every single detail of that blood test. I was really shocked because no one had ever done that. I'm prior military, so I've gone to lots of doctors, especially being in the VA, and no one has ever broken things down for me like that. On top of that, he had changed a few things in my eating regimen and my diet. He had also given me some supplements, and he told me it would be about 6 months before I would see progress. I was okay with that because I know that progression does take time. So I was willing to do what he said, and ironically enough, after about 2.5 weeks, the restless leg completely went away, the itchy skin completely went away, and I was in shock. But not just shocked, I was beyond grateful because it really does affect how you interact with the people in your home and the friends in your life. So I was grateful that I was actually able to sleep again, and I actually looked forward to going to sleep. And also, in addition to that, I had a menstrual, like most women do, and my menstrual went beyond the normal time. So I had gone to the doctor, a medical doctor, and they had done an ultrasound exam and found some fibroids. Well, the bleeding turned into about 41 days total. But on day 13, I'd gone to multiple OBGYNs to see if I can find some natural ways to help with this. They told me I have to remove some things, which I don't want to do with my body, that there were some medications that I could take, which I didn't want to do either. I really was at a loss. I went back to Dr. Bob and I was like, I don't know what to do. So I talked to him. He gave me iron, thankfully, because I was definitely losing blood. And he had also encouraged me to cut back my sugar intake drastically. So I actually omitted it altogether for the most part, except for natural sugars like honey and fruit. After 41 days, the bleeding stopped. I was told from multiple OBGYNs that it would not stop, but it did. And it's been about 10 months since then, and I've had perfect menstruals. Super happy about that. I know it's TMI, but these are the results that I've had with Dr. Bob, and I cannot express how grateful I am because it has made my quality of life so much better having a functional medicine doctor like Dr. Bob.